Making the perfect sourdough with a spray bottle and a colander? It's super simple. Take 2 tablespoons of whole wheat or rye flour, mix it with the same amount of water, and let the mixture sit for a day. Repeat this same process, adding 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of water every day for a week or so, and then it'll look like this. Small bubbles will start to form and the dough should start to smell a little bit like bananas. It's that easy to make a sourdough starter. For the next step in the process, mix 3/4 of a cup of rye or whole wheat flour with 2/3 of a cup of water. Then add in 2 tablespoons of the sourdough starter. Put the mixture into the oven and turn the light on. Not because your sourdough is afraid of the dark or needs light to grow, it's to make sure the sourdough gets the right amount of heat. Let the sourdough starter sit overnight. Then the next day add in 3/4 of a cup of plain white flour and 2/3 of a cup of water. The mixture will still be very sticky, so use a dough card to make things easier. Fold the dough in from the outside in until everything is mixed. Then place your starter back in the oven. I want to make the most delicious bread possible, so I steamed some chopped carrots and onions. I'm going to mix those with some sun-dried tomatoes and rosemary. After about 30 minutes, I'm going to take the dough back out of the oven. It should have risen nicely. Now I'm kneading it together with the vegetables, 2 tablespoons of salt, and an extra dash of water. I'm mixing from the outside in and rotating the bowl as I go. After the dough has rested, it's time to fold it. Put plenty of flour on your work surface, then place the dough on top. Stretch the dough out, then fold it in. Repeat that same process again and again, letting the dough rest sporadically in between. Once the folding process is finished, fold the edges in towards the middle to make the dough round. Using a kitchen towel and some flour, I'm turning a regular old colander into a proofing basket for the dough. Place the dough with the stretched side down in the proofing basket. After letting it rise for 3 hours, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a knife to score the bread in a cross shape, then transfer the baking tray to the oven. This is where the spray bottle comes in handy. We can use it to create some very hot steam in the oven to help make the perfect crust. Look at how it turned out. Beautiful. And inside you can see the vegetables alongside beautiful even pores. The loaf is very soft, but it has a firm crust, just the way it should be. Now all that's left is to add your favorite spread. Maybe some fresh chives and black pepper. The perfect sourdough. And I made it all from scratch right at home. It tastes way better than store-bought bread. Did I convince you to give it a try too? Let us know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. We hope this sourdough recipe makes you as happy as it makes us.